So here we're testing how a larger mass of soil over here will hold more water nutrients than the smaller little individual servings of soil for the little seeds. So we will have to water this less, and because the problem is that we want the plants to grow up in the sun, where in the environment in which they will be planted eventually. So if we have a shade structure, we would then have to harden those plants to move them, and we don't want to have to do that. So by having a shade structure, you don't have to deal with evaporation as much. So we want to rethink that. So we're testing. We have the same amount. We took this mold right here and pressed it into this batch of soil, and then put all the same seeds in the same places. And then we have a drain port. This thing is slanted so the water can escape. And so what we're hoping to see is that we expect this to hold a lot more moisture, so we don't have to water it as much, and that basically these plants will require less maintenance than those plants, and then they can grow up in the conditions with which they will be planted, as opposed to grow up in a protected environment to the degree that we have to harden them before successfully planting them in their final place.